Yes, beta. Good morning, all of you. Welcome in science class. I am your science teacher, Kiran Verma. Yes, in the previous class, we have started our new lesson, lesson 12 measurement. And in that class, we have completed introduction of measurement, that is what is measurement and what is unit. Okay. Now today in this class, we are going to discuss the measurement of length. How we measure the length, which type of instrument we use to measure the length, and what are the units we use to measure length. Okay, beta. So ready for the this topic? Now let's start. Yes, beta. In the previous class, we have discussed the measurement. Okay, measurement क्या है? Measurement, it is a way of describing how long, how heavy, how large, how deep, etc. an object is. ठीक है, this is measurement. Okay, measurement are of two type. First is known standard measurement of length, और second क्या है बेटा? Standard measurement of length. In early day, people used body part. In ancient time, known standard unit of measurement are used in ancient times. They used body part as a unit to measure length. Okay, they use span. Span means distance from tip of the thumb to tip of the little finger of one's hand. They use palm, that is the width of one hand, excluding thumb. They use digit, that is the thickness or width of an index finger. They use foot, length of foot. They use cubit, distance from elbow to the tip of the middle finger. They use pace, distance of one footstep, full step. They use fathom, that is the stretched arm. Okay, but this measurement is not accurate. Suppose the number of foot span measured by your father is 18 foot span, but when you measure the same room using your foot span, it is 25 foot span. This difference is because the length of the foot is different in different people. So we cannot use such conventional method of measuring length. The hand span, the stride, the cubit is different with different people. Okay. So the measurement of length using a body part is not accurate. Therefore, we are using a standard unit of measurement. ठीक है. Second क्या है बेटा? Standard unit of measurement. The standard unit of measurement is also of two type. First is English system, then second is metric system. English system mostly used in UK and metric system used in worldwide. In English system, the inch, foot, yard is used as a length. Pound is used for weight. Quart is for capacity. But in metric system, that is used in worldwide, meter is used for meter, centimeter is used for measuring length. Gram, kilogram is used for measuring weight. And liter, milliliter are used for measuring liquid. Okay. Now we are going to measure the length. ठीक है. How long or how short refer to the length of an object. Length can be defined as the distance between 2 points. Length is measured in meter. Other unit of length include centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, etc. Measuring tools for length, that is meter scale, ruler and measuring tape. Okay. Now this is a ruler. Okay. Small thing can be measured with a ruler. Type of ruler. Ruler is of two type. One is 15 centimeter and second is 30 centimeter. Okay, this is a ruler through which we find exact length of pencil, books, notebooks and crayons. Okay, now we learn to read the scale. Read the ruler. Longer line represents centimeter. Smaller lines represent division of centimeter. Okay. Now it is of 2 centimeter long. Okay, beta. So by this we can measure the length of a small object. The second is beta measuring tape. Measuring tape is also used for measuring the length of an object. It is used to measure the longer object. We use measuring tape to measure the length of the table, door, bed, etc. tailor, carpenter, they use measuring tape to measure the distance of an object, to measure the length of an object, length of the cloth, length of the wood, etc. For longer distance, we use unit kilometer. Okay. For shorter distance, we use meter and centimeter, but for longer distance, we use kilometer to measure the distance, longer distance, the distance between two cities. For that, we use odometer. ओडोमीटर पता है ना आपको, एक्टिवा में, कार में लगा होता है, जिसके अंदर किलोमीटर मेंशन होता है कि आपकी कार कितने किलोमीटर चली है ना. तो मीटर सेंटीमीटर के लिए तो हम सिंपल मेजरिंग टेप, स्केल, रूलर वगैरह यूज करते हैं, लेकिन अगर डिस्टेंस लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस है तो वी यूज ओडोमीटर टू मेजर द किलोमीटर. ओके, टू मेजर द लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस वी यूज ओडोमीटर. ओके बेटा. Now beta, let's start the reading. Measurement of length. In our day-to-day work, we use a scale to measure small length. Okay. For example, a line drawn on a notebook. हम day-to-day work में क्या use करते हैं? We use a scale. Scale use करते हैं to measure the small length. Okay. When your mother buys sari, she asks the shopkeeper to measure the length of the sari with the meter rod. ठीक है. When you go to medical room of your school, measure your height, then the height will be measured with the meter scale. Okay. So in our day-to-day work, we use a scale to measure small length. Okay. Next है, when you go to the market to buy clothes with your mother, you ask for cloth in meters. The cloth merchant measure with the help of meter scale or meter rod. ठीक है. For example, 4 meter of a clothes, meter. M means meter. For relatively bigger distance, we use kilometer. ठीक है. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. Centimeter is the unit for measuring small length, whereas longer length are measured in meter. And we measure distance between the places in kilometers. Length are measured using measuring tape, meter rods and ruler. ठीक है. Very small length centimeter, small length meter, and bigger length we use kilometer. Okay. For measuring a long length, meter is used. Millimeter and kilometer are the other unit of length, and people use rulers, meter rod and measuring tape to measure the length. Okay. So you have to read this topic, measurement of length. So beta, you have to read page number 124, topic measurement of length thoroughly. Okay beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.